Hi Librans, this is your love reading for this week of from Sunday to next Saturday, that is 19th to the 25th or 26th next Sunday. So I'm going to look at the cards for you, tarot cards which fell out for you while I was divinating for you. What you are going through in your love life, what is happening with the person who is on your mind, the person of interest, what are they thinking, and what is the issue in this love situation. I'll be talking about that, so let's start right away. Sorry. So the first card which came out for you is Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is you are feeling battered in this love. You are trying very hard. You are not giving up on this situation, and you are fighting it till the end, till it is as long as it is surviving. You are trying, making your last ditch effort. That is what I am seeing. There is lot of love inside you which you want to offer to this person, and it is hidden inside you. You cannot express it because there is a problem in receiving in this love. I will tell you about it. So you have lot of hidden love. You want to give this person your love which is inside you, and you are not giving up on this love. How do you see this person? You see this person as someone who is very strict, someone who could be cold and cutting if they need to be. So someone who can cut ties anytime, sometimes if they get angry, they just cut their ties with you. So you feel very challenged with this person. I see that there is going to be texting happening, there is going to be travel happening towards you or around you with this person, or there is going to be some heightened information about this person coming to you. There could be a chance of progress in this relationship, however difficult it may be. Then I see your action this time will be either offering for marriage. You will be wanting to offer marriage to this person, or you would be wanting to get out of marriage with this person. So final decision will be taken. A stable offer can be extended. You can extend an offer if it is for the monetary offer will be extended, or stability offer will be extended. Either or, if you are wanting to stay with them or you want to get out of this relationship with them, whatever it is, there is going to be a stable decision which will be made. A new beginning for you both will be starting. So that is what I see. So final decision, truth in the matter will be seen by you in your actions, and you are going to show it to them. So how is your person thinking about this love situation? Your person feels that they can do nothing about this. They are taking a break from you. They are maybe not talking to you. They are in their seclusion. They are not taking any action. They are just observing this situation. They could be, in another relationship. They could be somewhere away from you, or they could be, in this restrain mode of not talking to you, not doing any action, because they feel that they have to pay something to someone, or they are just being a sacrificial, voluntarily sacrificing their feelings for someone or something. Maybe some of them are taking care of their children and they don't want to get attached to you, or there is some problem in showing feelings in this relationship. I am seeing that they will be taking an action, but this action is not for love, this is not romance, this is Knight of Swords action. This is they see you like this, they see you like this, or they will come towards you like this. But meaning that they could be an air sign, or they are looking at you like this. They feel that you don't love them, they feel that there is no romance in this. You take action when you feel like taking action. It is all connected to your needs, your wanting. Whenever you are wanting, you take action towards them, or they there are changes in this love, otherwise it is a boring relationship. That is what they feel. So what action they are going to take? They are going to take a very dominating approach towards you in this week. They are going to show their power. That is what I am seeing. They could be coming with a spark of enthusiasm. They could bring in a good news towards you, but it's not going to be a passion which is going to sustain itself. It is going to be a short term thing, or an enthusiastic news for you, that they are coming towards you. Because the mutual energy that I see here is of Four of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So when Knight of Pentacles comes in reverse, this means that there is a person around you, my dear Librans. They are not putting efforts in this relationship, or they feel that you are not putting efforts in this relationship. There is a situation of uh, there is a situation of not having stability in this relation. They can, or someone in this relationship can go for their selfish desires. Someone can go for their own thing. Someone wants stability. Someone is in fear. Like, it could be one person who is in fear and wants a stability and wants to stick onto this relationship. The other person is not putting in effort. That is what I see. The other person could be a greedy person. Other person just wants your money, could be. So there is this mutual relationship, mutual feelings in this relationship, which is bordering on the pentacles. And there is a difficulty in this relationship because it is unstable, it cannot sustain, and someone is in fear in this relationship of losing it totally. So, what is the challenge for you, my dear Librans, in this love? The challenge for you is Seven of Swords. Something is happening behind your back, and that is the challenge for you. There is always a cause of concern, because in this relationship, there is always something hidden from you. Something is being hidden from you, something is being done behind your back. There is deception all over in this relationship. There is some hidden agenda in this relationship. So there is this kind of challenge which is playing up on your mind, but you are not giving up. You are not giving up because you love this person. You love this person, but this person is I'm not sure whether they love you, but their feelings are also very deep. Their feelings are also very deep, but they are in a passive mode. They are either compelled to be like this, or they are taking time out from this relationship. That is what I am seeing, but some action will take place. That is also possible. So what is their challenge? They feel hopeless in this relationship. They don't have much faith in this relationship. They don't know how long it will survive. So they have this problem of stability in this relationship. They feel that it is not going to survive. So what is the point of putting in effort? So they are trying to figure out this situation, and they are not doing any action. That is what I see. The outcome energy is showing the devil. So the devil in the outcome in a romantic reading means that this love situation is ridden with problems. This could have lot of blocks. Some of you have a marriage with this person, or some of you have a long-term relationship with this person, but this person always, gives into addictions, gives into gambling, gives into some kind of things that takes them away from this relationship, and they don't tell you the whole truth. That is what I am seeing. And the outcome energy is showing that it will remain like this. Both of you are chained or shackled with each other. However, both of you are not ready to take responsibility of stability in this relationship. That is what I see. Both of you want to dominate each other. There could be a dominating energy around you, my dear Librans, who is trying to take something out from you, could be, or they are only sexually interested in you. There is one person obsessing, there is one person trying to bring in balance, but this is not going to work like this. So what is happening is, Angels are telling you exactly what is happening. The Tower and the Temperance coming together. So Tower and the Empress means that this is an experiment, this is a relationship which has run its course. There is going to be problems around here, but it can be sorted out with control and negotiation. That is what angels are saying. This has run its course. The experiment which you started with this person is over now. It is getting over now, and you have to be patient about it, and you have to understand the truth. This is your own card, the Libra card. You are the most fair person who has the capabilities of understanding or the truth, my dear Librans. So you will see the truth in this week. You will be able to see whether this relationship will last. This relationship is long term, that is what I see with the Devil, but it always gives you sadness, it always creates a block, it gives toxicity. That is what I am seeing. So this experiment has run its course, so you need to see the truth at this time. So whether you stick on with this person or whether you get out of this relationship, it is up to you. But the situation will remain like this because there is a devil coming here, and no action is being taken by your person. That is what I am seeing. So because they don't have belief in this, because they don't have belief in this love situation. So, Librans, whatever it is, I wish you all the best. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who want a deeper reading with me, they can contact me through the comment box for a session. You can book that session. I will tell you how to book these readings. And people who are missing out my readings, please do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the future readings. So that's it. Bye bye.